from Great Advertising. Today I want to talk about how often should you make changes to your Facebook ads. You know, when you're running ads and you want to always make sure that they perform as good as possible, and you come up with things that you want to change to optimize them, or you hear things from other people that you can change to make them run better. But watch out for changing them too often, because it may actually have the opposite effect. Because every time you make a significant change in your Facebook ads, that can almost be anything. There's small, tiny changes may not disrupt them too much, but otherwise, if you make any other little bit more bigger changes, that will put your ads back into the learning phase, and then they'll perform worse, and it's going to take longer before they are optimized and before they perform better. So what you can do is you can write down the things you want to change, because of course you should make changes to optimize your ads. But write them down and then make all the changes at once, maybe once a week. Make all of them at once, and then of course it'll go back into the learning phase, but then it'll have time to optimize and perform better. And also another thing is that if you make adjustments, or if you make judgments based on your ads that are still in the learning phase, then you may make wrong judgments, because they may be performing poorly, but if you just gave them a little more time, they would probably maybe perform better. Even if the ads are not actually saying that they're in the learning phase, they still optimize continuously. That's what I've experienced. They get better and better over time. So it's better not to change them too often. So comment below what you think, or if you have any questions, or what you want me to talk about next. And also give this video a like and share it with your friends, subscribe. And also feel free to join our free Facebook group, Successful New Coaches, Consultants and Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking for new clients or leads, then that's what we specialize in, with Facebook and Instagram ad agencies specializing in getting quality leads for a very low price for coaches and consultants. So if you want to hear more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description for that also. And have a great day.